Let's go ask him. Yeah, because he's got nothing else to do. Hello, mate. You okay? Do you know where the old town is? Oh, okay. So I'm already in the old town. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Cheers. Okay, he was very helpful. Okay, let's go, but look behind. Oh my goodness, what a place. That was the highlight of the day. I can see the lighthouse from here. I'll show you in a second. Get down here. This is a very southern tip of La Palma. We are nearly there. This is insane. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't it so unreal? So unreal. So look, you're just cutting through these rocks, and as soon as you come out, the views are mind-boggling. Wow. Oh wow. This is, you can't describe. Look, the lighthouse down there. And the salt, it's not a salt lake, but it's like a salt field, very next to the lighthouse. So welcome to the southernmost tip of La Palma, the lighthouse. And just behind the lighthouse, you can see, if I can zoom in. So that's where they process salt or something like that. It's called it's not a lake. I thought it was a salt lake, but that's where they do this stuff. What an epic place. Just came down from, remember that I was sitting up there, just came down to have a closer view of this lighthouse and just get to the very end of it, so we know that we've been here. So let's go up. My GoPro has died, so I have got no batteries left, 4 or 5 batteries in all, kind of. Okay, so there are 2 lighthouses. One is in here, and that's the other one, and apparently it's still operational. Right, so La Palma's very last tip of southern tip. So we are officially to the very end of La Palma.
Proceed to the route.
And this is where, I don't know what exactly they call it, but this is where they process salt, I think. Process, you can see those fields in there. Just zoom it in. See that? Yeah, they're right next to each other. There's a restaurant restaurant, I think, there as well. A bit more stuff going on in there. Right next to. Okay, so as you climb up from the road that takes you down all the way to the lighthouse, and there you can see some volcano sites, as you can see clearly from here. It's not very far, for the naked eye it's very visible. So yeah, I think it's pretty much the end of the day. I'm dead tired, so I'll head back to some town and try to find a place for me to stay for tonight. Let's get there. All the batteries of my GoPro are dead, so that's at the moment. This is also almost about. Let's get back. It's almost 7 o'clock, so I'm heading down to the town of Santa Cruz, which is the main town. Trying to find some place to stay for tonight. Let's see. I mean, once we are there, I hope we'll be able to find some place. Fingers crossed. I've been looking around if I can find some hotels on the roadside. I absolutely stopped a couple of times, but no, there aren't any. Checked on booking.com, and they're either too expensive or the ones which are a bit more, you know, reasonable price. They are quite far from here, so I have to get inland again to the mountains. So I'm not going to be going to, because it's pretty cold now in the mountains. So I thought I'll get to the main town, and I'm sure we'll find. Yeah, look at this. We are almost here, about 2.5 more miles. I think that's the town. So Santa Cruz, which is the main town of the Palma, like a capital. And since I was planning to explore Santa Cruz, the old town tomorrow, it would be nice if I can, you know, have a place there, so I can get to know the place better. Can go out for a walk at night, but let's see if we can find anything. Place. It's such an amazing feeling when you come down the mountains. You hit the coastal towns, the air is warm and it's a different vibe. That looks like a big town, but I'm sure this one would have a room for me for tonight. find a place, I think. So I'll leave my bike here for a little while, quickly go and have a look at the room, sorry, the place. So, where is it? Okay, the place where I found is right in the middle of the town, and it's a huge apartment. There's a kitchen, they've got stuff, you can also do cooking. There's a living kind of room with a telly, and that's a nice double bed, nice and clean, wardrobe, and bathtub, and a separate toilet. Wow, look at me. Yeah, and if you come here, this is what you get, the view from here. So you've got huge, and the town is just there, and the sea view. Look at those trees. Okay, I need to change. I still have got a little bit of head twisting going on, and oh my god, I need to charge everything. Oof. And then yeah, I'll go out for a meal. I haven't had anything. It's already 8:30. Take it easy. I need to meal, but first I need to take a quick shower, and then I'll give you an update to what is going to be happening tomorrow. Yeah, it's been an amazing day today. Now that I'm inside, it's like feel like really hot in here. Probably need to keep the windows open. There's also a fan. It's that looks like a small AC or something, or air cleaner, something. Anyway, so it's a huge for one person, I think. Yeah, it cost me 70 euros per night, so which is, I guess, is all right. There were cheaper options, but yeah, the reason I chose this, I don't need a huge place. I just only need a room to crash, and it's just because they had a safe parking for bikes, like a garage, gated garage. So the bike is down there. Even I can leave everything on it, so that's not a problem. So living in the street, so I think that's very nice. It's a nice place, nice and quiet. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly change, and then we're gonna hit because the old town is right next door. So we're gonna go a walk around in the evening and have meal. As you can see on my face, I am dead. See, so it's 9:15, and I've just started downloading some stuff and took a shower because I was feeling awful. It's been such a tiring day for me today, so let's go out, find a place to eat, have dinner, and then walk around in the old town center. I've seen some beautiful places around here. It's a nice place. There's the main reception. Can we go out from here? Look at that awful Fred Olsen ferry. I think it's either just has arrived or is planning to go back to Canary or something, maybe somewhere else. But that's an awful boat. Never again. Nearly, oh gosh, I'm still feeling so sick. It's just because of the way they ride. It's awful. It's awful. So if you are planning to take, I don't know if that's the right way or not. Oh gosh, it's taking us all the way up. Never mind, let's go. So yeah, if you ever want to, it's better to take a slow ferry, because the slower ones, they don't really kind of shake too much, that they go very slow. And these ones, since they are, I think they are also lightweight or something, I don't know, right? It was terrible. It was terrible experience. So okay, let's go. I'm just going through these random streets. I don't know if these streets will get me somewhere or it's a dead end. Yeah, that looks like pretty much a dead end. There are stairs. Let's see if the stairs go up. Yes. Oh, very nice. But I'm just kind of walking like as if I know these streets very well. Okay, so let's see where we are. We need to get to the main road. I should have stuck to the main road. I don't know why. Okay. Looks like a beautiful street. That looks like an old town. This is the old town. Look at these streets. It goes all the way up. Look. Amazing. Wow. What a beautiful street. And look at this. The houses on each side. I hope this looks like an old church. Very nice. You see on the right, and also you've got that port with that horrible Fred Olsen's. Okay, let's see if we can get to the main road from here. Oh gosh, look at this. Oh, that is the old town. Let's see if we somehow get to the main road. Should be. I'm that tired and I'm hungry. I won't stay too long outside, but I just need to find somewhere I can grab something quick. Okay, so what's this? Look at this. Look at this tree. Okay. So we got that. Let's have a look first. What might be a shortcut up the hill, or maybe not. Oh, maybe not. Maybe yes. Yeah. Okay. Let's go from here. Look at it's a what's this? Look at this tree. My goodness. I mean, definitely if you got a motorbike or something, there's no way you're gonna go. So as soon as you're gonna stop, you're gonna roll back. And look at this. What is this? Oh, that looks like a square. Oh, I see. Look, how old is this place? How old? Look at this tree. Oh, that's a beautiful place. Oh wow, what's this? And look at this house. Oh wow, a typical Spanish house. Amazing, isn't it? Wow. Imagine that you have to come up all the way, climbing these stairs. But I'm just hoping that it's gonna get. I'm just going deeper and deeper in, not knowing where exactly I am. I'm just kind of hoping that it will get me out of this maze. Look at this. Okay, so this one takes me back. Oh, there are more stairs here. Nope. There aren't any stairs. Are there any stairs? Yep. I'm just going like walking like a beautiful street though. Well, I wanted to explore the old town, and now wasn't even thinking of doing that now. I thought probably tomorrow, but Okay, so this one probably. Gosh, okay, we got to somewhere now. Let's ask this guy who's just sitting here. I don't know. Let's ask him. Let's ask him. Yeah, because he's got nothing else to do. Hello, mate. You okay? Do you know where the old town is? Oh, okay. So I'm already in the old town. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Cheers. Okay, he was very helpful. Wasn't very talkative, but okay. So this was the very place where I came to see the what you call it, the hotel, the first one. It was one in there, and I came. It was pretty rough though. I could have gone for that because it was quite. It was okay. It's just only that it didn't have any parking space. I could have just left it outside here, but I thought, you know, just like that motorbike, that scooter is parked there. But then I thought, you know, best to, you know, pay more and get them where I'm staying now. That's amazing. That's a very nice place. Okay, so let's see if we can find a place to eat. Okay. Okay, so pretty much most of the shops are closed, at least in this part. So, and given that I'm too tired to walk, I think I'll yeah, I've just ordered a pizza, and yeah, that would be my dinner tonight. Haven't had lunch today. I hope they won't take too long. Pizza is going to be here. I'm just going to tuck it in and then I'll head back. The Palma has been amazing since I've arrived. It's been, I mean, the weather is, I mean, mostly the weather is, I mean, especially near the coastline, it's really warm and nice. Up in the mountains, it's the same story like in Tenerife. Now, here is the situation. I initially thought, I mean, I'm here tomorrow as well. I initially thought I'm gonna stay here for a few days. Now, I've done too much of these mountain rides. I want to kind of stick to more like, you know, warmer places where I can, you know, feel like being in the Canaries, because I never thought, I mean, I knew that some of the islands, they are quite mountainous, but I never thought it was going to be this cold. Now, next island that I was planning to go to was, is Gran Canaria. Okay. Now, Gran Canaria is next to Tenerife. Okay. From here, Tenerife is closer, and then Gran Canaria is after that. I'll show you on the map. Have a look. I thought I can hop on a ferry from here and that would take me directly to Gran Canaria. Now that is still the case, but I've done some research, and most people, they said that, you know, it's best to go back to Tenerife and then hop on a ferry from Tenerife to Gran Canaria. When I worked it out, it was like, of course, I have to go to Tenerife first, in the south, where I took off this morning. Then I have to ride all the way to the north to the other port where first I arrived in Tenerife, then head to Gran Canaria. The other option is there is a boat service that goes straight from here, from La Palma to Gran Canaria, but that goes only once a week, and it's a slow boat, and it takes about, I think, good I don't know, 14-15 hours. So it's a pretty long ride, which I don't mind. Now, given that the experience that I had this morning with this Fred Olsen boat, I will never ever take that again. Now, the other thing is, we have got a boat tomorrow, and then the other one is going to be after 1 week, tomorrow in the afternoon. Now I'm thinking, I'll tell you more in the morning. I'm thinking to hop on this ferry tomorrow in the afternoon. I think it's 3 o'clock, sometime around, and it's just from here and literally next to the port. So hop on this ferry, take it easy. I hope it's gonna be a slow boat. I need a little bit of rest as well, and I can use those 14-15 hours, unwind myself, take it easy and relax, and then arrive early morning in Gran Canaria. So if I hop on the ferry tomorrow, it's gonna arrive the next day early in the morning, which is okay. It's perfect because I don't have to stay in a hotel tomorrow night, so I can just crash on somewhere on the boat. So that's a bit more economical. It'll cost me about 160 to 170 euros. It's pretty expensive. But even if I had to go back to Tenerife and then hop on another ferry, that would have cost me more or less the same money. So I think I would, when I go back to a hotel, I'll see if I can book it for tomorrow. And in the morning tomorrow, I'm gonna have a few hours, half a day. I can, the idea is previously I was thinking to go up north and explore those, because there are some beautiful mountainous areas up here in the north of La Palma. I think we have seen quite a lot of those mountainous rides, so I think I'll probably might skip that, given that if I do that tomorrow, this means that I'm gonna get stuck here for 1 week. Cause there's no way I'm gonna hop back on Fred Olsen's fast express ferries. There's no way. I would even stay here for 2 weeks, wait for the other boat. So there's no way. So I think it might be a bit more convenient for me is to, okay, I've got half a day tomorrow. Instead of going up north, I can explore this old town, which looks like it's an amazing place. In the morning it's a different vibe, and stay some time on the beach and just chill out, and then hop on the ferry tomorrow afternoon, and then so that's what the plan is. When I get back after my dinner, when I get back to the hotel, I'll have a look to see if I can book it for tomorrow. If that's the case, of course I'll let you know in the morning. Until then, just waiting for my pizza to arrive, and then I'm gonna be heading back to the hotel. Take it easy. You look after yourself. Thank you very much for coming along, and I'll see you in the morning. Peace. I know it looks huge, pizza, but I'm terribly hungry, so I'm gonna tuck it in and walk back to my place.